Hey guys, here is a update on the legal mindset situation. It's getting more and more extreme. So since the video has been posted, since Alex has posted the video, people have tried to figure out who the witness is, including a parody account for Johnny Somali. And Johnny Somali parody account believes it was a woman called Rachel with mental health problems in the Johnny Somali Discord. So here is Alex's response to that. That's 100% not the person who I interviewed. If your goal here is to dox Andrew's victim, the woman I spoke with in the documentary was just one of the multiple victims of legal mindset. That is a very bold statement to make. I independently verified the person who I spoke with's identity and saw the horrible revenge corn that legal mindset posted of them that he still has yet to remove. So this is a very crazy thing that Alex has been saying here. Again, whoever side you're on, there's got to be more evidence, right? If Alex is making these claims, these are very, very extreme, probably some of the most extreme claims that you can be making. And now he's saying that there are multiple victims of, and this is the correct Alex Novell from, there's the Alex Novell. I'm going to click on, I just want to make sure, confirm in real time that this is the correct person. Yes, Johnny Somali in the Downfall of in Real Life Streaming official documentary. This is indeed the same person who posted the documentary. So let's read a little bit. So Johnny Somali parody account, Johnny So Smalley, the anonymous girl Alex Novell interviewed to defame legal mindset with his documentary is Rachel, a known liar and fascist who loves to screw people over. Legal mindset never met this girl, sees a troll, and get this, Johnny Somali's Discord. So this was retweeted by legal mindset. This is pathetic and sad. And I'm going to read you this. So we just found out this anonymous girl Alex Novell used to defame legal mindset with in his Johnny Somali documentary. Her name is Rachel, a known liar and white fascist who loves to screw people over. Legal mindset never met this girl. She's just a random girl Alex and Johnny took advantage of. Even though legal mindset never met Rachel, that didn't stop Alex and Johnny from using her to lie about legal mindset anyway. Alex coached her. Furthermore, she's a troll and get this, Johnny Somali's Discord. Alex, no avail. I don't know what that means. You lose all credibility for this stunt. Worst, you thought you can get away with it. You're a lowlife. I knew when you failed to show me the alleged police report submitted by some girl, this narrative about an underage relationship was a complete lie. You deliberately lied to try and trick your viewing audience about legal mindset. That scar in your head must have reached your brain. Rachel has some serious mental issues and drug issues, and you took advantage of her. So this is a parody account. It's interesting, right? Legal mindset is saying, hey, don't make ad hominem attacks. And all I see online is ad hominem attacks all the time. Johnny So Smelly, we knew you like pulling stunts like this. You tried it with Bong Bong, and you thought you can get away with it with legal mindset. I don't know who Bong Bong is. I'm new to this drama. Like everything you do with your life, you failed. You may have wiped your Discord when you had Rachel lie about legal mindset there and on your behalf, but that still didn't exactly work. And get a vasectomy, you smelly dwarf. Okay, so again, Rachel, aka blank blank, in an interview, you said you were a degenerate. Yes, you are. The fact that you are a willing accomplice to this by following a script created by Alex shows you have no self-respect. You are a piece of shit, and the fact that it gives you joy hurting someone with lies proves you're actually a real big lump of shit. F you and fascism. And it is my pleasure exposing you jackasses. So that was the parody account that was retweeted by Legal Mindset. Legal Mindset I believe, supports this account, this parody account. So then Alex responds, "That's 100% not the person I interviewed. If your goal here is to dox Andrew's victim, the woman I spoke with in the documentary was just one of the multiple victims." And again, highlighting that Alex is, again, saying that he had spoken to multiple victims, not one victim. There were multiple victims. The allegations are pretty extreme. I mean, if you thought one victim was a extreme allegation, what about multiple? Independently verified the person who I spoke with's identity. So Alex does know that person's identity and saw the horrible revenge corn that Legal Mindset posted of them that he still has yet to remove. So that's Alex here. Alex, please just stop. I knew you were going to say this. Even if I grant your contention, you still did not come up with a police report via FOIA of any girl of any age that submitted a police report on Legal Mindset. You lied. You know that in court, they will not just take your word for it. You blank blank. They will discover you coached a effing... Okay, so now it's getting pretty extreme. Whether or not... This is a very extreme, like the idea that there are multiple victims, and this isn't even the lawyer who Ethan, Klein, Asmongo, and Tectone have been promoting, in part because of their defense of the lawsuits against Dennins and Froggen, appears to be nothing more than a passport bro. Legal Mindset breaks down in detail how to hire blank workers off the streets of Thailand, where 40% of all blank workers are children. He's masquerading as a legal expert while preaching to his fans the benefits of blank tourism in a country riddled with child blank, and saying that this guy is just constantly doing this. And so, again, there does seem to be some... This was posted July 10th. It does seem like it's very interesting. It is very interesting. So I would say, because Legal Mindset is a lawyer, he's better able to deal with this. It's one of those things, like, the drama is the drama, and here, what are the legal consequences of the drama? Clearly, on one side, if this is defamation, Alex will be sued and he will lose everything, including his reputation. On the other side, there's jail time. I mean, there is literal jail time. If there are multiple victims, there could be multiple jail sentences. This is extreme, and this is extreme. These accusations are not something that will disappear. These accusations are not something that... And let's actually look at Legal Mindset. So Legal Mindset agrees with the Johnny So Somali account that this is a person from the Discord channel. Legal Mindset says, Somali's Discord isn't made up of the best or brightest. We've proven this consistently. Their attempts at defamation are not only idiotic, but projection, particularly of their leader, who is under real investigation for violating the Korean Child Welfare Act. So, interestingly enough, right, the person the documentary is about, Johnny Somali, is literally being in court over the Korean Child Welfare Act based on the deep fakes that he was sharing. So that's Legal Mindset. He's clear. Oh, this is the Fred. I knew something was fishy about the documentary. That's not the only thing, but will debunk Alex entirely. Oh, I'm well aware, especially with how unusually hyper-focused he was on that part of the documentary regarding you, even more so than with Ramsey and Poseidon. Genuine question, is this guy blank? Did he not know that if you took him to court for defamation, and there's no way he would get away with coaching someone to lie, and that he would lose 100% since this is clearly reckless disregard of the truth? He clearly has a disorder. I didn't know you were a licensed doctor. This is wild. Dude, this is nuts. Just out of curiosity, how many defamation lawsuits can you file against Ramsey at this point? C seems cute. I can change her. Okay. I asked Alex over and over again about the FOIA and any police report by a girl of any age. He refused to tell me he found anything. He even did a FOIA on legal mindset. We received nothing about a police report from an alleged victim. Yeah, very interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is definitely a drama that I will continue to cover because, again, you have a lawyer and you have these allegations are either going to break somebody in bankruptcy, which we've covered via Carl Jobs before, or end up in somebody in jail, which is, this is a very extreme accusation that hopefully Legal Mindset will address very soon. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hi, guys.